Buying an ETF on Etrade is a simple process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Etrade account. Visit Etrade's website or use the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Navigate to the trading platform. From the dashboard, click on the Trade tab and select stocks or ETFs from the drop-down menu. Search for an ETF. In the search bar, type the name or ticker symbol of the ETF you want to buy. Click on the ETF to view its details, including performance, charts, and expense ratio. Place a buy order. Click buy to start placing your order. Enter the number of shares you want to buy. You can also buy fractional shares if you don't want to purchase full shares. Select your order type, market order or limit order. Review and submit. Review your order details, including the number of shares, order type, and total cost. Click submit to finalize your purchase. Track your investment. Monitor your ETF investment in the portfolio section.